back to the session of the control system, etc. Right, second question. So you just consider the transfer function they have given, etc. Transfer function with the compensator. Okay, so what did they ask means? So they have asked about the four options: rise term decreases, bandwidth increases, transient response becomes slower, steady state response improves. That means what? So here it is the like option of MSQ. Okay, so you can choose any of the options. So that's why what I'm saying. Suppose if you consider two option is right, means you can select two options. Okay. So no problem. First of all, I tell you about this one. So GC of S equal to gain. So then it's S plus 2 divided by S plus 4. Is it right? So the top one you consider this one as a 0, and bottom one denominator is considered about the pole. Okay. So first of all, you have to write you have to make a draw of a pole 0 plot. Okay. So pole 0 plot always represents form of sigma plus j omega. That's the one. Okay. So there will be a graph available. So here always in the y-axis you take the imaginary, and in the x-axis you take the normal real. Okay. So in the pole 0 plot you are having first one as s plus 2, is it right? So s plus 2. So you have to make this as minus. That means what, in the negative side you have to plot the 2, and divided by s plus 4. That means what, in the negative side you have to plot this 4. Okay. So this one once again is say this one is a 0, and this one is about the pole. Okay. So s plus 2 means on the negative side you have to plot. So automatically, so because in the assumption you consider here it will be 1, 2 like that. So better you just write. So 0 you have to mark it as like this. Okay. So 0 means what, you have to mark a point and you have to make a circle around it. That's a 0. Pole means you have to make it as a star. Okay. So or suppose if the 2 is here means what, automatically by assumption you can have the pole here. So because it may be 3, it may be 4 like this. Okay. So pole. And look at this. So who is this? This is the origin. Okay. So this is an origin O. So what is the main thing? Means 0 is nearer to origin. So look at over here. 0 is nearer to origin. That is a very important. 0 is near to origin. And so what is the thing means? So better it will be like a filter. So 0 it is near to origin means what is the filter means what, it is a high pass filter. So control system is mainly play a major role in all electric devices or electron devices. Okay, in your radio or in your TVs anywhere. Okay, so in all the techniques there will be a control system definitely available, because if you take a motor or if you take some any resistor or anything, there will be controls available. So high pass filter means what, only low frequency will be available. Low frequency only it will be available. It will allow low frequency. Low pass filter means it will allow high frequency. Okay, only high pass filter. So what I'm telling means, sorry, high pass filter is about a high frequency. You can just consider, because any high frequency can be entered inside. Low pass only means what, only low frequency. I'm very sorry about this. Okay, so automatically, if the 0 is very near to origin, okay, so if the 0 is very near to the origin means you have the some of the main options. So what is the thing means, a rise time. Rise time means what, you'll get some of the time it will be having decreases. Okay, because already higher frequency going on means what, the time will be taking, because you know it right. So time is inversely proportional to frequency, or time is directly proportional to 1 time. So if the time actually decreases means what, frequency increases. Already told you right. High frequency means what, frequency increases means automatically time, whatever time it will, the time decreases. Okay, and because of the time decreases automatically, so time decrease means what, it will take more time. More time means what, space also it is required very high. So definitely the bandwidth. Okay, so the bandwidth also increases. Yeah, really the band, because if you take more time means what, automatically based on the time the allocating several frequency, it will also take something, it will take consume more space. So definitely rise time decrease and band decrease. So look at over here, and transient response, you know, the transient response not affected. Okay, so the main third thing, transient response, that means opposite transient response, it doesn't get any effect. Transient response is not getting affected. Okay, it's not getting affected. That means no increase, no decrease, no problem. So if you look at this option means rise time decrease, yes, and bandwidth increases. Other two options, no problem. Okay, this is the answer. If you have any doubts means, just comment in the comment box. Thank you very much.